Hello friends, welcome to our channel Homoeopathy The Healing Power. Friends, today is 10th of April and we are celebrating 266th birth anniversary of founder of homeopathy Dr. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann sir. So, 10th April is also celebrated as World Homeopathy Day. Friends, when we started our YouTube channel, in the very beginning, we have made a video on what is homeopathy, a detailed video on life history of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann sir, and also discovery of homeopathy with rare and unknown facts. Friends, if you are new to our channel and if you are a homeopathic student, then these 3 videos are must watch video for you all, so that you will come to know what is homeopathy, life history of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann in detail, and how and why Dr. Samuel Hahnemann sir invented homeopathy. I am posting the link of that videos in the description box below. Please check it out. Let's learn today on Dr. Hahnemann sir's birthday things that you need to learn to become a perfect homeopath. So let's get started. But before starting, you have to subscribe the channel and give this video a like, as this is a dedicated video to Dr. Samuel Hahnemann sir. Point number 1. What is our mission as a homeopathic physician? Dr. Hahnemann sir has said in the very first aphorism of Organon of Medicine that a physician is a preserver of health. And it is the mission of homeopathic physician that whenever a patient comes to take homeopathic treatment, the physician's duty is to restore the sick to health. That is, to restore the sick to its healthy state permanently. And then comes point number 2, how the cure should be. Dr. Hahnemann sir has explained that the cure should be an ideal cure. Now friends, what does ideal cure mean? To become a perfect homeopath, we must cure our patient in a gentle, rapid, permanent and in a harmless way, so that patient must regain its healthy state permanently. As Dr. Hahnemann sir has said that already the patient is suffering, and if his suffering is made worse by using wrong treatment, then it is just like adding a fuel to the fire. So friends, our treatment must be gentle, rapid, based on laws and principles, so that we as a physician can give ideal cure and our mission gets completed. Now comes point number 3. For treating patient, a perfect homeopath needs the following knowledge. Friends, Dr. Hahnemann sir has said that a true homeopathic practitioner needs following knowledge. This includes knowledge of disease. What is the kind of disease? What is its prognosis? Physician should know it. Then knowledge of all homeopathic medicines in detail. The homeopathic physician should also have the knowledge of application of medicinal knowledge to the disease knowledge, that is, how to select a homeopathic medicine. After selection of medicine, knowledge of proper doses required as per the case and knowledge of repetition of doses is very necessary for the perfect homeopath. Dr. Hahnemann sir also says that a perfect homeopathic practitioner must have the knowledge of obstacles that come while treating the cases, how the physician must remove that, so that the patient regains its healthy state permanently. Point number 4. After gaining the knowledge, the homeopathic physician should be unprejudiced observer. Dr. Hahnemann sir has said that homeopathic physician should be a keen observer. Hahnemann sir says that a homeopathic physician should not pass any judgment or give an opinion before any examination. Instead of that, homeopathic physician should be aware. He must take the note of all signs and symptoms of patient and select the medicine on the basis of symptom similarity. Point number 5. Dr. Hahnemann sir followed his father's teaching throughout his life, and that teaching was never take anything for granted nor receive anything in science as a truth until you have investigated it for yourself. Friends, this means that one must investigate the truth and then only one must believe it. As a homeopathic physician, we must also follow this teaching in our clinical practice. Point number 6. Case taking. Case taking is one of the important part of homeopathy. To become a perfect homeopath, we must learn the art of case taking. Dr. Hahnemann sir says that a case well taken is half cured. The perfect homeopath must know his patient physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and sociologically. Homeopathic physician must give as much as time he needs in taking the case of patient. Point number 7. Individualization. Dr. Hahnemann sir was the first person who introduced the concept of individualization in treating the patient. Individualization is nothing but differentiation of one patient from another patient while suffering from same disease. A perfect homeopath must select homeopathic medicine on the basis of individualization. Point number 8. Treatment of mental disease. Dr. Hahnemann sir was first reformer in the medical history. He was the first person who insisted loving, caring, polite and moral treatment in treating mentally disturbed patient instead of harsh and violent method of treatment. Point number 9. Holistic concept of homeopathy. Friends, this is one of the important point on which the whole homeopathic system of medicine is based. A perfect homeopath must learn holistic concept of homeopathy, which is given by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Hahnemann sir says that human body is made up of mind, body and something which is beyond this material existence, which is very powerful, and that is spirit or life. It is nothing but trinity of life, mind, body and spirit. This life or spirit maintains a clear difference between living and a dead body, and Dr. Hahnemann sir has named this living thing as vital force. This vital force maintains a healthy state in human body, and whenever this vital force is deranged, it is manifested by abnormal signs and symptoms, which is nothing but a disease. After giving a homeopathic medicine on the basis of symptom similarity, this deranged vital force is restored to the healthy state. Point number 10. Mind is a key to man. Our last but most important point, which every perfect homeopath must know. According to Dr. Hahnemann sir, a homeopathic physician must give importance to the mental symptom of patient also, while taking the case and while selecting the medicine, because mind is a key to man, as mind reflects the innermost of the man, which helps in gaining our mission of ideal cure. So friends, these are few important key points that we must learn to become a perfect homeopath. Share this video among BHMS students and homeopathic physicians. Let's learn together on World Homeopathy Day. Like this video, subscribe our channel to get more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.